Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can put like a picture in a green screen video. So get your green screen video here and add in the picture you want. I'm just going to choose this one for now and add this move the green screen on top of the picture, and then I'm just going to adjust it like the picture here. Select the green screen and select cutout, select chroma key, select color picker, select the green bit, and adjust the strength of the green screen. You also want to add in some shadow, maybe like so. And then, for instance, here you can use like keyframes for the picture. So I'm just going to show you guys with one first. I'm just going to turn off magnet 2, by the way. So I'm going to put the picture up here. Actually, I'm just going to use this one as an example. Oops. I'm just going to also lock this right here and adjust it to like kind of the end. And you're just going to want to keep on adding keyframes. So here I'm just going to add a keyframe in basic and position and size, and then when it moves I want it to keep moving, so I'm just going to move it to the right, and again to the right, again to the right, and you're just going to do that until like you've done all 3 of the green screen. But that is pretty much how you can add a picture to like a green screen video. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!